Hi, my name is Josh, and I am contacting you today about Loess Hills Handyman. Uh, our handyman team is a team that serves Southwest Iowa and Southeast Nebraska with a variety of handyman services. Right here on our website, loesshillshandyman.com, you can see the areas we serve: Council Bluffs, Iowa, Glenwood, Iowa, Underwood, Iowa, all these areas in Southwest Iowa, Omaha, Nebraska, Bellevue, Nebraska, and these surrounding areas. We can serve your home or business with the following services. Our handyman team does window installation, door installation, interior and exterior repair of your home. Our handyman team does minor electrical repair and installation, basic plumbing repair and installation. Our handyman team can even repair your water softener or install one in your home or business if that's what you need. We do interior and exterior painting. We do indoor and outdoor carpentry work, uh, shelving, cabinets, door and window framing. We can even build tree houses or other outdoor structures like sheds. We do flooring repair and installation. Our handyman team does drywall repair and installation. Uh, our team can even repair or rebuild your deck if that's what you need. And our handyman team does a variety of remodeling, bathroom remodeling, kitchen remodeling, basement remodeling, you name it. So if you or a family member is in need of any handyman repairs, construction, maintenance in your home, please contact us here at 712-314-5518. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.